Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into an essential algebra topic, linear equations with variables on both sides. Whether you're preparing for an exam or brushing up your math skills, this video has got you covered. Let's simplify and solve together. For example, we have 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 10. So what we're going to try to do is bring x's with x's and numbers with numbers. So we have 2x here. Yeah. Let's try and bring it on the other side. Let's bring to 3x. So here we have plus 2x. So we're going to write minus. Yeah, if we have plus, minus 2x. Bring on the other side, you're going to have minus 2x. If we do minus 2x on this side, we do minus 2x on the other side too. What else do we have? We have plus 5. Here we have plus 5. Now we're going to write the opposite of plus 5, which is minus 5. And on the other side, we do on this side, what we do on this side, we're going to do on the other side too. So we're going to have minus 5 on here too. Okay. Now, let's draw a line here and try and solve it. So 3x minus 2x, we're going to make x equal x. 3 minus 2 makes 1. So 1 we don't write. So we're left with x. Plus 5 and minus 5 cancel. So we have equal. Now plus 2x and minus 2x cancel each other. And now we're left with 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So this is the solution. X equals 5. Let's move on. Let's have another example. Let's say we have 5 minus 3x equals 2x minus 10. Okay, let's put x's with x's and numbers with numbers. So let's try and bring this 2x to the 3x. So we have 2x. So what is the opposite of 2x is minus 2x. So I'm going to put a minus 2x. And on the other side, we're gonna do the same. So minus 2x. What else do we have? We have number 5 and number 10. We're going to take, we have here plus 5. We're going to have minus 5. Sorry. Minus 5. And what we do here, we do on the side too. The other side too. So it's going to be minus 5 here too. Okay, let's draw a line and try and solve it. So 5 plus 5 and minus 5, we're going to cancel together. Cancel each other, sorry. Minus 3x minus 2x. Minus with minus makes plus. So 3 plus 2 are going to be 5x. We have equal. Plus 2x and minus 2x cancel each other. And we're left with minus 10 minus 5. Minus with minus makes 5. 10 minus with minus makes plus. So 10 plus 5, we're going to be minus 15. And here we're going to have minus 5, sorry. Yeah, minus 5x equals minus 15. Okay. So minus 5x equals minus 15. How are we going to solve? Because we have 5x, so we need just x, not 5x. So in here, it's not just minus 5x. It is a multiply. 5 minus 5 multiplied by x. So in this case, we can bring minus 5 to minus 15. So when we have multiply, what is the opposite when we bring minus 5 here? We're going to do the opposite. So it's multiply, then we're going to have a divide. So we're going to have, let me change the color. So we're going to have minus, sorry, we're going to have x equals minus 15 minus 15 divide minus 5. When we divide or multiply, minus with minus, we're going to make plus. Yeah, minus with minus makes plus. 15 divided by 5 will going to be 3. So the solution is x equals to 3. Okay, for the next one, I'm gonna ask you to pause the video and try and solve it. Let's say we have 6x plus 4 equals 3x plus 10. Pause the video, and try and solve it. Okay. I guess you paused the video already, so let's try and solve it. So we have 6x and 3x. Let's try and bring 3x to the 6x. So here we have 3x. In this case, what is the opposite of 3x is minus 3x. I'm going to do the opposite. Minus 3x. What we do on this side, on the other side we do 2. So it's minus 3x. We have a plus 4. So we're going to write the opposite of plus 4. We're going to be minus 4. And what we do on this side, we do on the other side too. So it's minus 4. And now let's try and solve. I'm going to draw a line here. And plus 4 and minus 4 cancel together. Plus 3x and minus 3x cancel together. So what we left with 10 plus 10 minus 4 plus with minus makes minus, so 10 minus 4 equals 6 because we keep the sign with the biggest number. So the biggest number is 10. What 10 has in the front, we have a plus, so we keep the sign before the bigger number, so it's plus 6. Yeah? We're gonna have here an equal because 3 and minus 3x cancel each other. And on the other side, we cancel plus 4 and minus 4. And we left with 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equal 3x. So 3x equals 6. Like I told you before, it's not just 3x, it's 3 multiplied by x. So when we have a multiply, what is the opposite of multiply? It is divide. So in this case, we can bring the 3 on the to the number 6. So we have 6 divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. So the solution is x equals 2. Let's have another one. 2x minus 1 equals x plus 5. Okay, pause the video, try and solve it. Okay, I guess you're right. Let's try and solve. So we have here plus 5. So we have here a minus 1. So we're going to write a plus 1. We write there plus 1. We do here the same. Yeah. Sorry. So we have a plus 1. So here 2 plus 1. Okay, now x, let's bring x to the other side to 2x. So we have a plus x, gonna be, let me change the color. Gonna be a minus x here. We write minus x here, write minus x here too. Let's draw a line and try and solve it. Plus x and minus x cancel each other. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancel each other. What we left with? We left with 5 plus 1 makes 6 equals minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other. 2x minus x are going to be x. So the solution is x equals 6. Thank you very much and see you next time.